Oh, this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again for you guys a t-shirt from Incerunmen. Let's see. Here we go, guys. You can see branding here, Incerunmen. Lovely packaging. They have a beautiful packaging here. You see skateboarding. They always pack you with a lovely package. You can see here it's a zip lock. So if you are traveling, you can take this pack. It will protect your cotton, your t-shirt. So without further ado, let me take this off from here. Beautiful looking t-shirt. You see, this is fashionable. The big neck, you can see here with the 4 button. Okay, the tight sleeve, long tight sleeve this t-shirt is. I'll take this off from here. You can see how beautiful this one is. Quality of the material. If I put close here, you can see how beautiful is stitching, how perfect the stitching is. You can see, guys, this is important. Inside you can see as well. Lovely. So this time for me to check this on, I have also this one from Insoles, and if you like this one, please check the video description. You can see how it is, full body. If I go behind, lovely, full. You can use some boots, a down black jeans or black loose pant, whatever. But you can see how it is. If you use something with a loose pant, this type of t-shirt, something as Jeff Hardy Boys, Matt and Jeff Hardy, something as this. If you are a fan of wrestling, surely you know. So lovely looking t-shirt here. Check the video description. If you like this one, you can purchase directly. You can go to the website. You can go directly. You can buy. How beautiful this one. And if you want to know more about this company, they have beautiful looking t-shirt, black t-shirt or different color. You can purchase. If you want more other videos, similar type of clothing, boots and pants, check the video description as well. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye.